In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WinProFX account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to winprofx.com, and then on here you can already see it says open account in the middle of your screen and then register at the top right. So you can click any of these, and once you do that, it's going to take you to a separate page, which is the client portal, where you basically have to create your account. You have to enter in your full name, so name and surname, your email address, the contact number, so first the country code, and then your actual contact number. Here you have to select your country, your state or province, your district or city, and then here you also have to create a password and then just retype it again. Now just make sure whenever you're doing that you actually meet these requirements over here, otherwise your password will not be created. After that, if you have a referral code, it's optional, you can put it in here, and then you have to also agree to their privacy terms and conditions and risk disclosure. And whenever you do all this and fill in all the fields, click on create account and your account will be created. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.